Hello everyone, it's Miss Catherine. In today's video, we will be making these Halloween lantern bags. Let's get all of our items ready. You will need paper. You can have green, white, or orange paper. Next, you will need a stapler, a pair of scissors, a black marker, and some glue stick if you don't have a stapler. If you have all of these items, let's get started. To make this ghost paper lantern, you will need the white paper. Draw a face with a pencil or the black marker and color it in. Next, fold your paper in half. Using a scissor, cut a small strip for our handle. And then we will cut strips like this, just halfway. Do not cut all the way. Open the paper and curve it. We will put these two together with a stapler. Secure the top and bottom of your lantern. With the square paper, fold all the corners. We will put this at the bottom of our lantern. Insert and use the stapler or glue to secure it in place. All done! Now you can put your sweets and biscuits into your ghost paper lantern. If you want to make the pumpkin paper lantern, use the orange paper. Draw some triangles for the eyes and nose and give it a nice toothy grin. Fill it in and do the same thing as the ghost paper lantern. We will fold, cut, and cut some more. If you want to make a monster paper lantern, use the green paper. You can give it some spiky hair, eyes, scars, and a toothy grin. Follow the steps from the first lantern. Your lanterns are now complete. Remember to say trick or treat politely. You can say, "Trick or treat, please." Happy Halloween crafting, everyone!